And yes, definitely today. Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
hello. Yeah, bro.
Yes. So definitely today I will discuss discuss on one topic. That topic name is which one is better? Offline shopping is better or online shopping is better? What do you think?
Actually, bro, as per my point of view, online shopping is better in nowadays. It's
Okay.
more convenient as compared to
Speak
offline.
speak loudly. Speak loudly.
Yeah, it's more convenient as compared to offline shopping.
Okay. Please
Actually,
please explain.
mhm.
Yes.
Yeah, you don't have need to go outside if you are gonna be to purchase something. So you just
Okay.
can easily purchase online. There is lot of online platform available such as Flipkart, Amazon, Shopcluse, and all that thing.
Okay.
And but there is some disadvantages.
Yes.
Actually, it's also happened so many times with people around us. Like if anybody order anything through online platform, so
Okay.
when they just when they get that order,
Mhm.
so they get another thing.
Absolutely right.
Yeah, brother. So that's the reason like people are not like to shopping online, bro.
So, which one you prefer, online shopping or offline shopping?
I prefer to, if I go to buy clothes, so I
Mhm.
would prefer offline. If I have
Definitely.
need to buy something like electronics, gadgets, and mobile phone, and
Mhm.
another thing, so would prefer online, bro.
Okay, you mean to say if you want to if you want to purchase like electronic gadget like mobile phone, laptop, so definitely you should go for online shopping. Otherwise, you always prefer offline shopping.
Yes, brother.
And definitely, yes, you said were absolutely right. In offline shopping, definitely you can also do bargaining with the shopkeeper, and you can check the quality of the product with your eyes, and yes, feel with your hand, and definitely. But this is a lockdown time, and online shopping is better. You know, better platform to buy someone
Yeah.
something.
Now for now you can say. Hmm.
Absolutely, absolutely. So definitely, so yes, tell me something more about yourselves. So how do you spend your day today?
Today, okay.
Yes.
Today I woke up at 8 a.m. in the morning, and then I went to my field, farmland, bro. And
Okay.
then I did monetize the labor because I have put some labor on my farm.
Okay.
Yeah, and then today I was just engaged with my farming work.
Okay. 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 So
Yeah.
I think you have a field and you have to yes plant something there.
Yeah, actually my father is farmer, bro. Farmer. We have land.
Okay. 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 So nowadays you are too much busy with your parents and to you also help to your parents.
Right, brother. Actually, my
That's great.
father was got injured, so that's why all that work I have to do.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Yes, absolutely. Yes.
Yeah. And
So
how was
have
your
you,
day today?
yes, my day was as usually I do same thing. Yes, because I go firstly I wake up early in 6 a.m. in the morning, and after that I brush my teeth, and after that I go for a shower, and yes, after that I went to park and do some exercise, meditation, yoga kinds of stuff, and after that I reached home, and take some, warm glass of water. Yes, and after that I had take my breakfast, and yes, after that I go for my study. Yes, I do some technical study, and it's around 1.5 hour. Yes, I yes went for market and buy some stuff like vegetables kinds of thing. In afternoon time when you went to the market, so definitely you don't find any rush in market, so it's a better time to buy someone is something, sorry, something. So I yes, after then I again came back to my room and do some talk with friends. I just write message on Vishnu Bhardwaj group, and there I talk with one person. He is from Maharashtra. So yes, I talk with that person, and after that it's around 4 p.m. I again went to park and play some badminton, and after that I reach and prepare my food. And yes, right now I had just take my dinner, and yes, right now I'm sitting on my bed, and I'm just thinking if someone wants to talk in Skype or in audio call, so definitely I should go for it.
Oh, great, great. You have a lot of work to do, bro. Nice.
Definitely, because brother, you can't sit free, because when you are sit free, so that time you feel some that time you feel some laziness, and you feel yes some feel some tired. So yes,
Mhm.
you can't sit free.
Right, 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 brother.
Yes. So
Okay.
yes, ask anything, and if you want to share anything, so you can share with me. Whatever strike in your mind, so you can yes ask.
Hmm. Okay, we should choose another topic now.
Definitely, if you have a topic, so definitely we will discuss on it. Yes, tell me the conditions of COVID.
COVID. Actually, bro, here everything is under control.
Yes, yes,
The
yes, yes.
rate of cases are normal, not are decreasing, not are increasing.
I heard the news. I heard the news of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu. There are a lot of cases, nowadays
Mhm.
increasing.
Their condition is very bad, bro. Yeah.
Yes, 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 yes. But I don't know. Yes, what the reason behind it? Because nowadays, if the this coronavirus is still present in our environment. So yes, there are a lot of farmers. They are sitting nearby the border of
Yeah,
Delhi.
they are protesting against government.
They are
Yeah.
protesting. So I think they also be affected by the virus, but I don't know the truth behind it.
Yeah, they may be infected easily, bro. Right.
How we can say that the corona is still present in our environment.
Yeah. Actually, uh, everyone get to know that because cases are increasing, like in Delhi, in
Yes,
Mumbai,
because
in
because
yeah.
most of the people say they are only believe in news, and most of the channels they are always give fake news, and they always want to increase their TRP. So the reason
Mhm.
I think there is a reason behind it.
Yeah, but bro, WHO also like providing this kind of thing to everyone.
Just leave it. Just leave. This is a very boring topic, because the coronavirus is not in our control, and we can't do nothing. We just only wearing mask and protect ourselves. That's it. Otherwise, we can't do nothing.
Yeah, right, brother.
Yes.
Okay, so which topic we should choose right now?
Yes, topic, definitely topic. Yes, suddenly, yes, I give you some hypothetical situation. For
Okay, okay,
example,
brother. Sure.
suppose that suddenly you got a 1 crore, you got a lottery from anywhere, 1 crore. So what will you do?
Okay.
What will you do first?
Mhm. Firstly, I will make a plan to invest
Mhm,
that money in good way,
mhm.
where I can get like more money
Okay, okay,
through
okay,
that
okay,
amount. Yeah.
okay,
And
okay. So you mean to say, firstly you invest the money in bank, and after that you also get double amount from that.
yeah, yeah, in bank, and we can do also a business.
Okay, 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 okay.
Yeah. And even I would like to help the poor people. Those
Okay,
have
that's
really needed of money.
yes, definitely. Your thinking is, yes, so nice, and you definitely, yes, definitely you should get money. So definitely you should help for the people, because there are a lot of people who are suffering for their, they don't have any food, they don't get any food. So
Right, right.
definitely this is a very good thing. So
Sure. And
yes,
mhm. What
yes,
else
yes.
I can do with that money?
Yes, definitely you can do a lot of things if you are interested in shopping. So definitely you can buy some, you should
Yeah,
go for your shopping, and
yeah, I
definitely
can I can shop, bro, anything, because 1 crore is
yes,
very huge amount. But it
yes,
would not be better to buy things by amount of lottery. It would be totally a waste of money.
absolutely, absolutely. Because when the person get a huge amount, that time they don't know how to spend the money. That time they always believe, do some, negative kinds of thing. They always
Yeah,
always ready for do some negative kind of thing, like parties,
yeah,
go for parties, the party
right,
like
right.
this.
If somebody get the that kind of amount, so firstly they want to maintain their standard, like
Yes, yes,
lifestyle.
absolutely, absolutely. So
Yeah.
tell me, tell me, yes, money is important in our life, or time is important in our life? What do you think?
Oh, time and money. Actually, both has importance in our
No, no,
life.
no. Just
Mhm.
comment on one thing. What do you think? Comment on
Okay.
just only one.
Mhm. Mm, so money is more important in nowadays.
Explain. Please explain it.
Okay. Actually, if I don't have money,
Yes.
so how can I like buy the food for my family? How can I be able to feeding for my family?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And if I talk about time,
Mhm.
so
With the
time,
help of what you have a huge money, but you can't, buy the time. You can't buy
right,
the
right.
time with the help of money. Time is
Yeah,
also very important. It is a vice versa process. You can say that, because
yeah,
if you
actually,
don't, yes, because if you want to earn money, so firstly you should have the time. You should have a time. After that, you can earn.
brother, time is the thing, it's keep going on, whether you have money or you don't have money. You can't buy and you can't fight with time,
Mm-hmm.
literally.
Mm-hmm.
But money is the thing, if you don't have, so you will face a lot of difficulties to
Mm-hmm.
survive in your daily life, daily
Mm,
routine.
mhm, mhm. But according to my point of view, firstly you have a time. For example, you have completed your. Firstly, you have a time for your education, and if you get a good education, after that you think about to earn money. If you don't have an idea how to earn money, so yes, firstly you should have knowledge how to earn big money. So firstly you should go for the study, and after that you can, yes, you can learn the you can learn the things, and after that you
Mhm.
can get the money.
Yeah, definitely. But if I get money like accidentally, I get a
Mm-hmm.
treasure. So
Mm-hmm.
why I have need to study to get education?
Mm-hmm. Yes, definitely, definitely. But with the help of money, you can't buy the education. Firstly, you should have a you should have a wisdom. Firstly,
Yeah.
you should have the wisdom how to earn money. If you don't have any kinds of wisdom, so how to earn money? If you don't have any idea, if you don't have any kinds of experience, how to make our how to build our business kinds of stuff. So how can you
Mhm.
get money? So I think
Both
both
are
things are equal, and this topic is, I think, endless.
equal. Mm,
we
right.
can't we can't do the conclusion. We can't go for the conclusion
Yeah, yeah, absolutely, bro.
because money, all the things are running equally. It's just like that, same.
Mhm. Yeah,
Like
it's up and down. Yeah, yeah.
up and down. Yes, yes, that's absolutely right. So yes, Mohit, tell me, yes, what do you feel? Because right now you don't have any job. So what kinds of feeling you you feel? Because
Okay.
I know very well when the person lost their job, so definitely most negative thoughts come their mind.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, bro, uh, whenever I feel like that, now I'm having distract from my path and I'm having feel like restless. So I just try to focus on my study.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah,
Okay,
bro.
okay.
And
Yes.
after spending time with study, so
Mhm,
then I boost my confidence by itself.
mhm, mhm. Okay, okay. This is a great idea. Definitely.
Yeah, brother.
Otherwise, you always feel demotivated, and you can't do nothing. Definitely, absolutely right. And when your mind become busy, when mind become busy, definitely you can do another thing.
Yeah, actually now I'm avoiding to like go outside and meeting with my friends in village. I
Absolutely,
just
absolutely.
spend my whole time with towards study.
This is a very good idea. Absolutely. When you have money, so that's why you can, yes, make your life make that's why you can live your life with yes, in good manner. Otherwise, yes, without money, yes, you always feel demotivated, and yes, you feel something wrong.
Yeah, right, brother.
Yes. So I think this is a very nice talk with you, and it's almost 18 minutes talk, and definitely
Yeah,
uh, tomorrow when we are come together, we will discuss on another topic. Absolutely.
sure, brother, sure.
So
Nice
yeah,
to talk to you, bro.
nice to talk to you again, and have a nice day, bro.
Yeah, have a nice day, bro. Good night, bro. Bye.
Good night.